Hey yo, it's Skippy, Chriso. In this bathroom, it's a whole new bathroom I'm doing. I'm going up to the ceiling. There's the shower in there. It's going to have a bit of an angle across there for the door. I've got to build this bathroom floor up with heaps of mud. Why it's so deep I don't know when it was built. Anyway, I'm going up to the ceiling. This is a progress report. I'm starting it now. I've filled in around the bottom because the sheets were short, not going down to the floor. I've got to tape it and silicone it yet, but it's got to dry a little bit more. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.